Hello YouTube, welcome to the second to last video of my Inktober 2020 series, number 11 and number 12. We're almost at the end and I'm glad I recorded these, but it actually delayed the drawing process because at first I had a very small memory card and had to empty it every time it was full and wait till I could continue drawing. So this drawing is Vampire from my list and from the official Inktober list by Jake Parker. It was disgusting. And the idea of this picture is, if you can't see it from the picture itself, this is a very young vampire and he tries for the first time the different types of blood. Someone bottled them up from different ages and genders, and he's trying, I don't know what he's trying, but I think it is not, well, I think it's already spoiled, so he didn't really enjoy it. Here again you can see the evolution of my nail polish, which I find quite funny every time I look at it. I really enjoyed drawing the wood texture actually in the background. I'm not really good at it, I think, or I'm not used to drawing wood, and actually I noticed that the wood texture in the back I could have drawn smaller because it's not that near to the viewer, so it's far away. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. This actually was also pretty fast, I think. I don't like his face that much, but I just went ahead and I just pulled through. And I really like his trousers though, and I like his outfit. It looks like kind of Victorian, or like in time of the industrialization. So I really enjoyed that. I love to draw old outfits or dated outfits. I don't like to draw modern outfits as much. I don't know why, it's just I really like history, and perhaps that's why I enjoy drawing old-fashioned clothing, or vintage as you would say nowadays, I guess. What else could I tell you? I think he's got to be a teenager, or perhaps he's like 12 or 13. I don't think he's a child anymore. Perhaps he tries this kind of stuff, or the older blood for the first time. Perhaps he broke into the cellar of his parents and stole the old blood bottles that they put there, and he wanted to try them. I don't know. I still also try to figure out the lighting of the recording, because I don't know if I mentioned it before, I don't have my desk at a window, so it's really difficult to have good lighting. I do have two softboxes with light here, and it is okay, but it's not ideal. So the next one is Demon from my own list and Slippery from the official Inktober list. I don't know what I drew there. It's just, he's kind of a slime demon or something like that. I don't know where I got the inspiration. I think it just looked funny and I wanted to draw something like that. And I also think that children are the most creepy things in horror movies and series. Always when there are children, it's gotta be the most creepy film ever. Yeah, I don't know what it makes it so creepy. Perhaps because they are said to be so innocent, and when they do evil stuff, then they're not so innocent as you thought. I actually really like this one, although it's pretty simple, so that's right into my comfort zone. I like just people standing from the front and not from above or from the side or 3/4 view or something like that. I just like it simple from the front, and that's my go-to when I don't feel motivated. Not that it was the case in this case, but yeah, usually when I do this, you can see what I thought there. But also, I just really like painting faces and bodies from the front. I think, I don't know, it's just, I just like to paint faces from the front. Also, the background is pretty simple. I try to build up a little bit of texture with the black and gray there. And yeah, I'm quite satisfied with this one, and I think he looks creepy, and I think he looks also kind of cute. Which I could improve is possibly the slime or the slime puddle on the floor. And I should have also elongated the one, can you say the one slime? The slime at his left hand to go to the floor, so it's more like a symmetry. The only thing that would be asymmetrical in there would be his hair. I think that would have been a nice thing to do, but I didn't, and now we have to work with that, with what we have, and I still like it very much. And I think we're almost coming to the end. I think I'm just deepening the shadows a little bit and the values, and especially in the puddle, I hope. It's very light at the moment. But then I think I'll show you the full pictures in the end. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon then. Bye guys!